In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Discord Nitro subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to stop your Nitro plan and remove your saved payment method so you won't be billed again. First, open Discord on your computer. Look to the bottom left corner of the app, near your profile picture and username. Click the small gear icon there. This opens User Settings. If you don't see it right away, make sure your window isn't too small, and that you're not in a full-screen voice or video call, as those views can hide parts of the interface. Inside User Settings, find the Subscriptions section in the left-hand menu. This is where Discord lists any active plans linked to your account. Click Subscriptions, and you'll see your Nitro membership if it's currently active. Select the option to manage or cancel. Discord may ask you to confirm a couple of times. Go ahead and confirm. After you cancel, your Nitro benefits typically remain available until the end of your current billing period. This means you won't lose features immediately, but your plan will not renew. Once Nitro is canceled, it's a good idea to remove your saved payment method so you have full control over future charges. Still within User Settings, go to the Billing section. Here, you'll see any payment methods you've added, such as a credit card or PayPal. Select the payment method you want to remove, then choose the option to delete or remove it. If Discord indicates that a payment method is in use, double-check that all active subscriptions, like Nitro or Server Boosts, are canceled first. Since you already canceled Nitro, this step should go through smoothly. Take a moment to confirm everything looks correct. Under Subscriptions, you should see that Nitro is no longer set to renew. Under Billing, your chosen payment method should no longer appear. If you ever decide to come back to Nitro, you can re-add a payment method and resubscribe from the same places we just visited. That's all there is to it. Open User Settings with the gear icon, cancel in Subscriptions, then head to Billing to remove your payment method. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Discord account and avoid any unexpected charges.